I've never been trained like this.
Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing a weight loss miracle shot for you. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Hi guys, today we are doing a weight loss miracle drink. So this is what all of us have at home every day in the morning because it's a great starter to detoxify you. Simple 2 ingredients. First, we're going to take a mug. To that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of ACV, that's apple cider vinegar. That's 1, and that's 2. Next ingredient goes your freshly made ginger juice. So you have taken 1 small ginger pod, I've added little water and I've blended in a blender. Now I'm going to strain the same. You see here, there you go. And all the ginger juice is in your mug. And last but not the least, going to add water to the same. Here we go. That's your magic miracle weight loss drink. That's an ACV ginger tonic. So this is a magic drink that I'm talking about. ACV kills bad bacteria. It aids weight loss. That means it gives you the feeling of satiety and the feeling of fullness for a longer time. It boosts skin health. That means it is an excellent source to detoxify your body. This is the first thing what you need to consume in the morning to get the maximum benefit out of it. That's your ACV miracle shot. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get information of all the amazing recipes we do. Also, don't forget to log on to www.bodyprocoach.com where you can find our base 90 days and kids program there. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to see you next time.